Hello friends, today's topic: CPL affiliate marketing. Make money with CPL affiliate offer program. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product and services they enjoy, then promotes that product and service, earns a piece of the profit from each sale or lead they make. Affiliate marketing has exclusive offers with different conversion types, which you can get right away, multiple ad formats, CPA, CPL, CPC, CPM, CPS, rev share offers, diet, skincare, health and beauty, vitamins and supplements, adult, etc. You can find these offers in affiliate network websites and advertisers' websites. Today we will talk about the CPL affiliate offer. Before we move forward, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Also, don't forget to comment below in the comment box. Cost per lead, often abbreviated as CPL, is an online advertising pricing model, where the advertiser pays for an explicit sign-up from a consumer interested in the advertiser's offer. It is also commonly called online lead generation. Let's see the benefit of CPL affiliate marketing. CPL campaigns are advertiser-centric. The advertiser remains in control of their brand, selecting trusted and contextually relevant publishers to run their offers. CPL campaigns are usually high volume and lightweight. In CPL campaigns, consumers submit only basic contact information. The transaction can be as simple as an email address. CPL advertising is more appropriate for advertisers looking to deploy acquisition campaigns by remarketing to end consumers through e-newsletters, community sites, reward programs, loyalty programs and other engagement vehicles. This video is dedicated to the affiliate program that supports CPL, stands for cost per lead, commission type. What is cost per lead, what are the best CPL offers, and how to effectively promote CPL offers in affiliate marketing. And how we can make money by promoting them. What is lead? The lead in affiliate marketing means an action made by a visitor. This action can be an email submission, zip submission, registration on the website and online service, sign in for a newsletter or something else, besides the sale. The action is set by the merchant. In pay-per-lead payment model, affiliates then earn commission for every action, lead. So you know what is lead. There are two types of lead for affiliates they have to submit through their traffic. One is short form and the second is many forms. What is short form? Short form of a lead is where the customer has to submit their email address or zip code. When they submit that, you get commission as an affiliate. This is one of the CPL short form methods. Example: credit card, visit a website or newsletter affiliate program. In short form CPL affiliate program, affiliates get paid less commission, but the conversion rates are high because consumers don't pay anything, they just need to submit their one or two pieces of information. At this point no sales happens, and if there is no sales, so no refund. Secondly, many forms of a lead are where the customer has to submit a long list of information like email, name, address, age, gender, income, etc. When they submit that, you get commission as an affiliate. This is the second CPL form method. Example: loans or education from. In many forms CPL affiliate program, affiliates get paid high commission, but the conversion rates are less because consumers don't want to share all of their details. At this point also no sales happens, and if there is no sales, so no refund. So it's up to you which CPL offer you want to promote. Choose according to your ability and traffic source. You can find these CPL offers at Offervo, Max Bounty, CPL LED or any other affiliate network in your country. If you are a beginner, CPL affiliate programs are best offered to start your journey as an affiliate. CPL is much easier if you're just starting out because the customers usually just sign up with an email for submitting free, and affiliates simply to earn commission. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Cheers.